Are you wondering how to grow on TikTok and how to get followers on TikTok? You need a TikTok hashtag strategy and you need to know how to be using TikTok hashtags in the right way. A reason why a lot of people get disappointed about their low views on TikTok is because they don't know how to be using TikTok hashtags and their TikTok hashtags are not working for them. In this video, I'm going to share with you the ultimate TikTok hashtag tutorial and the 5 TikTok hashtag steps that you need to be using if you want to get more views on your TikTok videos. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use the best TikTok hashtags for your TikTok videos and how to get more views on your TikTok videos. Oh, and I've also put together a free guide with how you can grow organically on TikTok. There's 7 really important steps. So if that's something of interest and you want some help with how to grow your account on TikTok, then you can grab that below. I'll leave a link with how you can get that. It's completely free. Step 1 of your TikTok hashtag strategy is hashtag goal. Now, I want to make sure that you're clear on the purpose of using TikTok hashtags because they'll be really effective with helping you grow your account on TikTok. When you have a TikTok hashtag strategy and you know how to use TikTok hashtags in the right way, it's going to give you the best chance for your TikTok videos to rank on TikTok, and that's going to help you get more views on your TikTok videos. Let me give you an example. If we search on TikTok, viral songs TikTok, we can see that one of my videos are in the top position on TikTok. This means that when people are searching for this topic, they're more likely to watch my video, and that's going to help get more views on my TikTok video. When you use TikTok hashtags in the right way, it means that you're going to give yourself the best chance for your TikTok videos to also rank, and it's going to help you grow your account on TikTok. So that is the main goal of using hashtags on TikTok. It's really effective with helping you get more views on your TikTok video and also growing on TikTok. But how do you pick the best hashtags on TikTok? Well, let's get into the next step. Step 2 of TikTok hashtags, TikTok hashtag competition. When you research TikTok hashtags, you'll see that there's a number against the TikTok hashtags, and this is the video views. So this means that when a hashtag has a high amount of video views, it's a really competitive hashtag because a lot of people are also using this TikTok hashtag for their videos. Let's take the example of social media. This has billions of views on this TikTok hashtag, so it's a really competitive hashtag on TikTok. Whereas if we look at social media planner, this has a lot less views, so it's a less competitive hashtag on TikTok. This is the TikTok hashtag framework when selecting TikTok hashtags. You can see that hashtags that have over 1 billion views on TikTok are extremely competitive hashtags, whereas hashtags that have less than 1 million views on TikTok, these are less competitive hashtags. So now that you understand the difference between competitive hashtags on TikTok and less competitive hashtags on TikTok, how do you know what hashtags to actually use on TikTok and what hashtags to select on TikTok so that you get more views on your TikTok video? Well, this takes me on to step number 3. TikTok hashtags number 3, selecting TikTok hashtags. Now, you don't want to make the mistake on TikTok by just using really competitive hashtags on TikTok. That's a big mistake. What you need to do is use a mixture of competitive and less competitive hashtags on TikTok. And the reason why you want to still use competitive hashtags on TikTok is because you ultimately want to say to the TikTok algorithm, hey TikTok algorithm, this is what my video is about on TikTok. Please share it with the most relevant people on TikTok. And the reason why less competitive hashtags are still really important on TikTok is because it's going to give you the best opportunity for your videos to rank on TikTok. When selecting your TikTok hashtags, select at least 1 to 2 hashtags from each category, and that is going to give you a really solid TikTok hashtag strategy and give you the best chance for your video to go viral on TikTok. Step 4 of TikTok hashtags, TikTok positioning. When I work with brands and I advise them on their TikTok strategy, I recommend that they think about their TikTok hashtags like a triangle. So you want to sort your TikTok hashtags based on relevance. That means that position 1 to 3 hashtag are really important and should be related to your TikTok video. So it really describes what your TikTok video is about. Whereas hashtag 4 onwards can be more broader hashtags, such as about your industry or perhaps who you're looking to target on TikTok, and also include your branded TikTok hashtag. This is really important, and that takes me to the next step. TikTok hashtag number 5, branded hashtag on TikTok. Whether you're a brand or a content creator on TikTok, you want to let the TikTok algorithm know that you're a person of influence on TikTok. And one way to do that is to create your own branded hashtag on TikTok. Just like I've done here, you can see the number of views that I've gotten on my own branded hashtag on TikTok, and you can do exactly the same. By using a branded hashtag on TikTok, it means the TikTok algorithm can learn more about you, and it should be a really big part of your TikTok hashtag strategy. If you like this video, you might want to check out this video, which is all about the best posting times on TikTok. A lot of people make mistakes when they're posting to TikTok. So if you need a little bit of help with that, then feel free to check out this video. See you next time.